Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brooklynn Dennington and I do makeup tutorials and I love the look that I created. So this is what she looks like. So if you want to see how I got this gorgeous glowy look, then just keep watching. So this is the look, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the 39S Morphe palette and do it on the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and put on tape real fast though. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Grape Mines, and we're gonna start by packing that on the outer V and into the inner corner. I'm going to take this pink shade up here, which is called Bougie, and I'm going to place it pretty much right above that. To help blend it out even more, I'm going to go in with this light baby pink shade, which is called Pink Prize, and we're going to put that right above the hot pink into my brow. To deepen up the purple in the outer V even more, I'm going to go in with this deep purple right here, which is called Make It Rain, and we're just going to place that mainly in the outer V. For my brow, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Pearlfection, and we're just going to pop that right under the brow. I took some super white concealer and went ahead and did a half cut crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is just a glitter, and it is called Show Off, and I'm going to take this little flat brush and we're going to pack it all over my lid. Alright, so I'm not going to do liner, so I'm going to take the Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara and do a thin coat. And I already have my glue on this lash. This is in the style Blasted from Lash Book. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this lash on. Alright, so foundation is on and my face is set. So now we're going to go in with the 8L and the 8H Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer, Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer. I got both of these, so I'm super excited. They're still in the box. So we're going to play with them and see how they do. So this is the 8L. And then the 8H. So I'm going to show y'all what they look like. So this is the 8H, what she looks like, and then the 8L. I'm going to go in with the 8L to start with, and then we'll test out the other one. So the first thing that I can't pronounce any of these shades, so you're just going to have to read. But I'm going to go in this one right here for bronzer to start it, and I'm going to use this Crown contour brush. And we're just going to go right in. So this is super light, but I'm just starting out light because I don't know how good the pigment is going to be or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to hop over to Enemy. I can't pronounce that one. I just stabbed it. It's more of a warm bronzer, so we'll see how that looks. Okay, so I went ahead and carved out everything and put some on my eyes just so it can look brighter. So now I'm going to go for a highlight. So we're going to go in with this shade, Lit, and we're going to see how she looks. So I'm using the Miss Glam L36 highlighting brush, and we're just going right in. Okay, so now I'm going to hop over to the 8H, almost said A, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Beam, and I'm going to do a little bit of Mirage, which is right next to it, and we're just going to put these on as highlight too.
Ooh, dang, that's so pretty. Okay. You guys, that's so pretty. Wow, okay, I really like that.
Alright, so I went ahead and did my lower lash line and it threw on a gloss, and this is the finished look. So this is what we created. I love all of it. All of the products are 150% a yes. Guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please tell me down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Turn on your notification bell so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.